What's up, guys? Mike and Shannon, Reject Built. Got we're out here with the EG. Sorry, it's a little dark. It's a little too cold outside to have that door up. But so drove it last night. I'm just gonna get in the car and show you the problem. Oh nope, it's actually up right now. We ain't got no clutch. He's gone. So I figured out last night that I blew my factory clutch line, and then had to have Mike bring me some fluids. And, you know, we all need friends like this. He just went ahead and bought me a slave cylinder while he was at it. So we're gonna slap a slave cylinder on this thing and see if it works. If not, I'll collapse this fender.
That's the bad one anyway.
Yeah.
God damn it.
I love having cars with bad fenders. Alright, so tried to bleed it. No luck. So we're going to go ahead, since we've got one. That's the wrong way. We're going to go ahead and just pull it out of there and replace it. Hopefully it gives me a clutch back. Yeah. And we don't have other issues. If it doesn't, we're going to be putting a clutch in it. And, yeah, I don't know what I want to do for a clutch yet. So, we could go aggressive. But considering the fact I drive this car more on the street, I really don't want an aggressive clutch. So, it's just a nice part of the video of me just moving my fingers. You can barely see that. There we go. Look at that action. When she asked where you learned how to do that. Right. Anyway, we'll get back to you once it's swapped. All right, guys. So, see, I kept my promise. Collapsed fender, even though I didn't mean to. That just gives me more of a reason to put the other fenders on it. But Mike's threading the line back in, since the fitting wants to be a little stucked.
Fitting's not stuck no more. Oh, yeah. I'm married. I'm used to this.
Yeah. Actually, there's a pool video that I took yesterday before all this happened, of course. Yeah, did a pool yesterday. Just left one of our buddies' house, drove to the gas station, and lost the clutch. Thankfully, I was only like a half mile away from the garage. I was able to drive it here without a clutch. So, if y'all have done that, you know how difficult that is sometimes. But granted, I've owned this car for a long time, so I know where it rev matches. Yeah, new slave going on, and then
I'll let you get the bolts in.
Hopefully we got a clutch. All right, so new slave on. We also noticed that I had a little bit of brake fluid leakage. Turns out just had a bleeder that we put the master on the car last year. We didn't take the wheels off of it. We did it from behind the wheel. It was leaking a little bit. But yeah, master's on, clutch is working. That fixes the brake leak, and yeah.
Hopefully this fixes the clutch issue. Seems like it. It's got a lot more pedal now.
It's got a lot more pedal. But yeah. Hey, Mike. Like, comment, subscribe.
Let's go.
If you enjoy our content. Hit us up.
If you don't, we like haters too.
Yeah, we also enjoy haters, because everybody in the comments saying this car's slow.
Bring in scat packs out. Let's go.
Oh no, it's a Hellcat Red Eye Challenger.
Challenger.
If you're $1,000, yeah.
1,000 horsepower car.
Yeah, if you're 700 horsepower can't outrun this 300 horsepower, you need a driver mod full. Wouldn't spend $100,000 on a car anyways. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, hit us up, let us know what you want to see.